Hi, this is Jim Cramer with the Street's energy expert, Dan Dicker. We had talked earlier about Sandridge, a $5 stock. Okay, now let's go to the $4 aisle.
Stocks.
Magnum Hunter does a deal with Penn, Virginia. I know Magnum Hunter's balance sheet had been questionable. Doesn't this make it so it's a buy?
Well, what's happened is, let's talk about Magnum Hunter to start.
Okay.
We can talk about Penn, Virginia, too. Again, these are very, very cheap, under $1 billion cap stocks.
Right.
So they're very, very speculative, and we should start by saying this is not, a throw all your eggs in on this. Okay. But Magnum Hunter he really has a bad reputation. It was known as a natural gas stock.
Yes.
And they took it on the chin in 2010, late 2010, early 2011, as the natural gas price just got killed. But they've been doing a restructuring for the past several
and they've been on Mad Money talk about the restructuring, and it has not been a good stock.
No, it has been a very bad stock, but this is one of those, at least they're moving away from the Eagle Ford to concentrate on the Utica, a much more liquid kind of idea of a play that they're moving towards. The restructuring is going apace. Their numbers start to look really good, and in terms of the deal, I think that Penn, Virginia got taken here.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Because not all Eagle Ford's created equal.
That's correct. Eagle Ford is not created equally, and Penn, Virginia has actually kind of thrown in their lot in Eagle Ford. They've gone into the Eagle Ford. That's where most of their assets are. They've sold other assets in Indonesia to try and raise money so they can do more E&P in the Eagle Ford, and in fact to raise cash so that they can double down by buying these assets.
All right, Magnum Hunter has told me that Utica is not all equal either, but they are in the oiliest part of Utica. Is that true?
Yeah, well, that is true. I think they've got a nice balance at this point of domestic assets. Some in the Bakken, by the way, also some in the Utica, and in the Canna as well. I mean, there's a nice mix of assets going on here. And again, if I was looking for a stock, that I think could possibly make a turnaround, it won't trade that badly for that much longer. That's the one I would look at.
One last question: is the $400 million buy them time? Fix their balance sheet? What does it really do?
Yeah, there's tremendous leverage in all these small speculative plays, and we have to remember that. I mean, the balance sheets on all of them look really bad on the outside.
Yes, they look horrendous because they cash flow. They borrow way too much.
They have $2 billion worth of debt, and they've only a market cap of $500 or $600 million. I mean, it's a scary kind of number. That's why these are always speculative.
All right, so
stocks.
Magnum Hunter spec, Sandridge spec, but look, if you want to roll the dice, oil going up, nat gas going up, they're going to work.
People love these under $10 stocks. These under fives, because they see a double in their eyes, and once in a while they get it. So we try to give them to them.
Okay,
once
Dan
in a while.
Dicker, and that's let's understand each other. Magnum Hunter, very speculative. Sandridge, the other video, very speculative. Thank you so much.
Right.